Yes, thank you so much and welcome to my channel. This is Learn All Tutorial Center, whereby we teach on various applications and softwares. Today I'll be showing you on how you can enable USB debugging from your Android phone. So without wasting much of our time, let's go to settings. When you go to settings, you scroll down to where there is developer option is. You enable this feature. I'll be teaching you in the next lesson how to enable this feature or how to enable developer option is into your Android phone. So without wasting time, let us click on developer option is. After you clicking on developer option is, let us go to where there is USB debugging. When you scroll down, you see USB debugging. As you see, mine is enabled. I'm able to show you this video just because my phone is connected to this PC via USB debugging. So if I disconnect it, you won't see anything, but if it is enabled, it shows a blue color which looks like this. Then if it is disabled, it looks like this. So you can enable your USB debugging in order for you to screencast as I'm doing like that. Consider subscribing for more videos. Consider subscribing for more videos like this. Thank you so much.